For above-ground swimming pool liner replacement, call 800-457-1622. Do you need a vinyl liner replaced on an above-ground pool? We replace above-ground pool liners in the greater Tampa Bay area. We repair and install above-ground pools in Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, Polk, counties, and beyond. Our website is tampapoolinstallation.com. Typically, we can have your above-ground pool liner replacement scheduled within weeks. The vinyl liner replacement will take from 3 to 5 hours depending upon your pool size. Please call us at 800-457-1622.